Now we will learn how to make comparative and superlative degrees. Formation of comparative and superlative degrees. We can form comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives in the following ways. First is, most adjectives form the comparative by adding er and the superlative by adding est to the positive. Let us learn by example. First example is poor, and the comparative degree is poorer and the superlative degree is poorest. Here positive degree is poor. Now when we will add er it will become poorer, and when we will add est it will become superlative. Next is great, greater, greatest. First is positive degree is great. When we will add er it will become comparative, and when we will add est it will become superlative. Clear? Next rule, adjectives ending in e form their comparative by adding r and superlative by adding st. Adjectives ending in e form their comparative by adding r and superlative by adding st. For example, here positive degree is large and the last word is e, so we will add r, it will become larger, and when we will add st it will become superlative because the last word is e. Next is brave. Here last word is e, so we will add r only in comparative degree according to rule, so it will become braver, and when we will add st it will become bravest. And the next word is white. Here last word is e, so what will we add? We will add r, it will become whiter, and when we will add st it will become whitest. Similarly, wise, wiser, wisest. Clear? Next is, if the adjective ends in consonant plus y, the y is changed into I before adding er and est. For example, here positive degree is happy, last word is y, and before y there is a word p. It is a consonant sound, consonant plus y, so we will change y into I. According to rule we will change y into I, and after that we will add er, it will become happier. And next superlative, y we will change into I and we will add est, it will become happiest, happy, happier, happiest. And the next example is heavy. Here last word is y and before y there is a v. V means it is a consonant sound. So what will we do? According to rule we will change y into I, and after that we will add er, and in the superlative degree y change into I and we will add est, it will become heavy, heavier, heaviest. Similarly, easy, easier, easiest, lazy, lazier, laziest. Clear? If the adjective ends in vowel plus y, then simply add er and est. For example, here positive degree is grey and the last word is y, and before y there is a vowel sound e. E is a vowel sound, so we will add er and est. Simply er and est if there is vowel sound before a word y, so it will become grayer and superlative degree will become greyest. And the next word is gay. Here last word is y, but before y there is a word a, and a is a consonant sound. If the adjective ends in vowel plus y, then simply add er and est. For example, here positive degree is grey. Here you can see last word is y, and before y there is a word e, and e is a vowel sound, so it will become grayer and greyest. Simply we will add er and est. Clear? And the next word is gay. Here last word is y, but before y there is a word a, and a is a vowel sound. So simply we will add er and est. Gay, it will become gayer and gayest. If the adjective is a single syllable word with a single consonant at the end preceded by a vowel, then double the consonant and add er and est. For example, here you can see positive degree is big. Here last word is G, and we know that G is a consonant sound, and before G there is a word I, and I is a vowel sound. So according to rule we will double the consonant sound BIGG, and then we will add er. It will become bigger. And similarly in superlative degree we will double the consonant sound. G will become double G, and we will add est. It will become big, bigger and biggest. Similarly sad. Here last word is D, and D is a consonant sound, but before D there is a word A. A is a vowel sound. So what will we do? According to rule we will double the consonant sound. D will become double D, and then we will add er. It will become sadder. And similarly in superlative degree we will add double D, SA double D, and then we will add est, saddest, sad, sadder, saddest. Clear? Adjectives containing two or more syllables take more before them to form the comparative and most to form the superlative. For example, here you can see positive word is beautiful. So when we will add more, it will become comparative degree more beautiful, and for superlative degree we will add most. It will become most beautiful. Come to the next, important. Here you can see when we will add more, it will become more important, and it will become comparative degree, and when we add most it will become superlative degree. Important, more important, most important. Similarly faithful, more faithful, and most faithful. Some adjectives change completely when turned into comparative and superlative form. For example, here positive degree is bad, and comparative degree is worse, and superlative degree is worst. Next is good, better, best. Next is little, less, and least.